Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Sonata key battery. First, locate the small release button on your key fob, usually on the side or back. Press this button and pull out the emergency key. This key will help you access the battery compartment. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery for the replacement. Ensure you have these items ready before proceeding. Now that you have removed the emergency key, look for a small notch or slot where the emergency key was housed. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Take care not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the internal electronics. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until they snap securely shut. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot. Test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.